Okay, so from the previous video we see that a new fuel pump and filter didn't fix the problem, and yet I can get a line and blow from this point here back through the tank. I can hear the bubbles going through the tank, and the air is exiting from somewhere. I've thought about it, and what I think it is now is it could be a fuel cap. That the fuel cap's not allowing the system to breathe and for air to come in. And so what this test is starting up the motor, letting the fuel pressure drop, and then I'll come around and undo the fuel cap and we'll see if that fixes it. Okay, before I start the vehicle, before I start the truck, I'll just remove the cap. It's pushed on. Okay, so let's do it. I'll get it started and we'll remove the fuel cap. We'll come back and have a look at the fuel pressure. Well, that's a bit of a surprise. So that brings it back to, it's either a defective pump, and we saw in the previous video how that's a new fuel pump. The fuel pump's been replaced. The fuel filter's been replaced. The system's breathing. I sprayed dishwashing liquid on the rubber pipes at the back there near the tank area, and I couldn't see anything wrong there. So at this stage, the fuel pump that was replaced was fairly new. It's got a new fuel pump on it, like I said. So it's either the fuel pump is bad or the fuel lines are bad from the tank. Why the fuel pressure starts off good and then goes down every single test, I don't know. Maybe there's a small hairline crack in one of the fuel lines, the rubber fuel lines, and that's letting air in. But then why does it start off with good fuel pressure? I can return this fuel pump. I can also have it tested, vacuum tested, so time will tell.